Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you a simple trick how you can freeze columns and rows in your documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. Now doing this is very simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any technical skills whatsoever. Start by heading over to your document, and what you will need to do, guys, is click on one of these gray handles you see in the top left corner here next to that empty cell here. So for example, if I move that lower handle here, that gray handle, left click on it and move it here, move it down, I will be able to freeze everything, every row that has been or that is placed above that line, just like that. And you can do the same with your columns. Simply left click on that line here, that gray line or gray handle, left click, move your mouse and release your mouse where you'd like to place that line. Let me go, for example, let me release it between column F and G. And basically any row that is above row 15 and any column that is to the left of column G has now been frozen so that I can't move them around here. For example, if I adjust the size and position of these rows here, I can't move past that line, as you can see, and the same applies to your rows. For example, if I try to move row 16, for example, that line here, I won't be able to move it past that line. So basically everything in that area here has been frozen, and that's how you freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.